my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the perfect smoothie. And when I say perfect smoothie, I'm not talking about the most attractive smoothie. I'm talking about the most nutritious smoothie you can actually have. I'm just going to be telling you guys the basics, so the most important things to actually have in your smoothie to make sure that you're getting a good balanced diet, you're getting that burst of energy, you're getting everything you need as instead of having a meal. So basically everything you're going to get in a meal, you're also going to get it in your smoothie. So yeah, if you guys want to find out how to do this, then please keep watching. Alright, so for the perfect smoothie, the first thing you have to do is to get your liquids. Liquids are also really important, so you can decide to use water. Water is always the best option in my opinion. Water, and then you can decide to use milk. I always use nut milk or some kind of nut milk, maybe almond milk, cashew milk, coconut milk, because these are non-dairy milks and they are actually also not very high in calories except for coconut milk. Coconut milk is kind of high in calories, but I always use almond milk most of the time because you can actually use up to a cup of almond milk. It's going to taste good, and you're also going to be getting some healthy fats in there also. So most of the time I use almond milk, but whenever I'm using like starchy fruits, I usually go for water because there's no need for milk when you already have like all that starchiness in your fruits. So today I'm going to be using about a cup of almond milk. I already measured this out. This is a cup of almond milk for my smoothie. And you always want to have water for your, how are you going to make a smoothie without having some kind of liquid? So the liquid is very important, and I feel like it's best to put the liquid first. That way it's going to blend better compared to putting other things first, because it's not going to blend very well and you're going to have issues blending. So when you put the liquid first, everything blends way better. In my opinion, I think a smoothie is not complete without having some form of vegetable. So sometimes you can add like cauliflower, you can add spinach, kale, lettuce, you can add cucumbers, very good. You can add beetroots, that's a good type of vegetable also. But today I'm going to be using lettuce, and I have measured out about a cup of lettuce. I'm going to be adding this to my smoothie. Yeah, because the vegetable is actually very important. It's like the most important thing, because that way you're getting in your fiber, you're getting in your veggies, your greens, your vitamins, and you don't actually have to eat it. A lot of people don't like eating their greens, so this is a good way of sneaking in your vegetables like into your meals by making a smoothie that tastes good. So the next thing I always have in my smoothie are fruits. So here I have watermelon, I have mangoes, but today I will be using strawberries. So here I have frozen strawberries, and I measured them out. So this is about 100 grams of frozen strawberries, and I'm just going to be adding this to the smoothie. Strawberries are actually really tasty, they're healthy, and they're also really high in antioxidants. So I think they're like 80% water or something. So strawberries are really healthy, and they're really sweet, and they're really they have a really nice texture. So when you don't want too much carbs, let's say instead of having banana or instead of having mangoes in your smoothie, you can go for strawberries. You can actually use almost any fruit you want, but today I want strawberry, so I'm using strawberry. So I know that sometimes people don't always feel very full when making smoothies, so I always recommend that people get in some kind of fiber, just something to just make them feel fuller. And of course fiber is always good for your gut health, very good for your digestive health, so I always go for fiber. Sometimes I go for chia seeds, sometimes even your fruits already have fiber, but for some extra fiber I usually go for oats. I usually add oats to my smoothie. Sometimes I use other seeds and nuts and stuff, but today I'm going to be using oats, and I'm going to be using a tablespoon of oats. So yeah, a tablespoon of oats. So one thing I'm sure you can see that this smoothie is lacking is what? Protein. So protein is also very important. Right now, we're trying to get a balanced diet. So we've got our fats, we've got our veggies, we've got our carbs here. So of course, yeah, protein is very important. And most of the time when I think of protein, I think of nut butters, especially peanut butter, or I think of chia seeds, adding chia seeds to my smoothies. But today I'm going to be using this. This is basically peanut butter but in powdered form. So it has a higher concentrate of protein, and it also is very high in fiber, and it doesn't have the fat that is in peanut butter. So instead of having peanut butter, you're just going to be having peanut butter powder, and this has more of a protein concentrate. And remember, we already have the fats in the milk, so there's no need to have extra fats unless you want. But yeah, so I'm just going to be having about a tablespoon of the peanut butter powder. So I know that some people like their smoothies sweet, and typically I just prefer to sweeten my smoothies with, of course, just fruits, because your smoothie doesn't need sugar or anything. Sometimes people add maple syrup, agave syrup, honey, but in my opinion, you really don't need that. Your fruits are enough, especially if you get really nice fruits like mangoes, strawberries, blueberries, bananas, of course, especially when you get them when they're really ripe. So yeah, if you want sweet smoothies, just use really good and sweet fruits, and you're just not going to need the extra sugar. Everyone is trying to run away from sugar. Everyone is trying to run away from sugar now, so I don't think there's any need to be adding extra sugar. So now we're just going to blend. We're going to blend the smoothie. Okay, I thought my smoothie was going to be red, but it has more like a milky color, and I'm guessing it's because of the protein. I'm guessing because of the protein, peanut butter or something, that's why it's more of like a milky color, but I don't mind. I like this color, so I'm just going to go for this color. Creamy, it's actually really creamy. Whoa. I still have some more, see. I like it, and it's very peanutty. Alright guys, so that is it on how to make the perfect smoothie. It's very nutritious, very tasty, and yeah, basically anything. You can do with any fruit, any fiber you want, any vegetable you want. Just, you know, just be creative, go ham. But basically these are the most important things to have in your smoothie. That is, you need your liquid, you need your vegetable, you need your fruit. Not all the time. Sometimes you can actually do a fruitless vegetable. Sometimes you can actually do a fruitless smoothie, but if you want, you can also add some fiber, extra fiber to your smoothie. You can also add some protein to your smoothie, some nuts, some seeds. Go crazy, go ham, go colorful. Yeah. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment for me down below, and do not forget to follow my fitness page, which is called Gym Freak. It's my workout page where I, post daily workouts. I post motivation, healthy food advice, and everything. And you can also follow my lifestyle page, which is called Life as Natha. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next YouTube video. Bye.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading